Welcome everyone. I'd like to show you how to easily fix when you're trying to go into internet recovery. You see error, what is this? -5101F, right? Now this should work with other related error codes. The symptom is you try to go into internet recovery and it never actually goes into it properly. Like you have the loading bar, then it gives this pop-up. And if that's the case, doesn't matter what error code it is, I'm going to show you how to easily fix the internet recovery on your device. Now keep in mind, this is actually an error happening on my Mac. This isn't some screenshot, right? You can see when I press escape, it does nothing. And by the end, internet recovery is going to be fully working. So for the sake of showing this video is legit, you can see the time is 4:25, Monday, the 22nd of March. And yeah, you can see the battery percent right there. And let's get started. So first things first, we need to turn off the Mac. So we'll just hold the power button down until we see a black screen. So there we go. Mac is turned off. And what we're going to do differently before we enter into internet recovery is we're going to hold the power button down, but instead of holding Command, Option and R, we're just going to hold down the Alt or Option key. So we're going to hold down the power button for 1 second, then we're going to hold down Option, and you're going to be brought into a different menu, right? This is the menu, so you can see it will show all your hard drives. If you have none, it will show none. And what we want to do is we want to connect to our Wi-Fi network here. So we'll click on this, then we're going to scroll down, go to my Wi-Fi, and I'm just going to enter in my, in fact no, it doesn't actually show a thing on here, so we'll just enter in my passcode, just like that. We'll click on OK, and once your internet has been connected, you have to connect to internet, you just want to hold down Command, Option and R. Hold that down, and now you see starting internet recovery. This may take a while. Now from my experience, I haven't seen the progress bar while doing this. However, this should work, and the reason why it should work is because it works on my Mac. Now this doesn't mean it will 100% work, but that's what I use personally. You saw the error right earlier, right? This isn't some magic CGI. Look at this, right? And so what this is going to do is it's going to start internet recovery, and it really should work, right? Again, I cannot promise you, I cannot, hand spoon you. If it doesn't work, then there's probably a problem with your Mac. I don't know. But, we'll see how it goes. So this is, I want to cut this because it's going to take forever. Yeah, so you know what? I'm going to go into edit and I'm going to speed up this part so you can see it's fully legit. I'll put my phone down here. And yeah, I'll just hold down my, whatever. Yeah.
Actually locking onto someone. Okay. Let me move my camera a little.
Okay, so I kind of regret holding up the phone for so long. But look, that's a different screen. Remember earlier it would have just stopped working. However, this time, on my Mac at least, everything's fully working. And the reason why I decided to hold up my phone is because I actually looked up at other tutorials, and they were all more likes than likes, or just about above the like to dislike ratio. And this is a tutorial coming from someone who actually has the issue, not someone who says, oh, reset the NVRAM. Now that's going to do a lot, isn't it? So you can see we are in the OS X utilities. Now this is going to show you the page, which is essentially your first macOS version, which came on the Mac. So mine is Mavericks, I believe. As you can see, nice and old schemorphic design. What I'm going to do is I essentially want to reinstall this. So we're going to go erase, do journaled, erase, there we go. Right, beautiful. So what I'm doing is I'm just essentially downloading my Mac again. Okay, and so let's reinstall Mavericks, yep. And so now it says we aren't connected to the internet, so we'll just connect to our Wi-Fi network again. So I know what happens why when you hold down Option and go into internet recovery with internet on, it works. But it asks for us to enter back in internet, but you know, whatever. So we'll join, and we'll try again. Okay, yep, so you can see now everything is fully working. Remember earlier, we got nowhere near that point. So our computer's eligibility will be verified, really? Imagine they shut down these servers in 5 years' time. Then we'll choose this hard drive, install. And yeah, so now it's going to install macOS Mavericks onto my device. It could install Mojave, Catalina, God knows what it will install on your computer. This computer is from 2013, that's why it's installing Mavericks. But again, it could install just about anything. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe if you're brand new. See you guys later. Bye-bye. One quick thing, I actually forgot to record the time, but you can see it's 4:37, there's the battery life, so you know, no time's really passed. I was like, I saved the video, I think that took about 5 minutes or so, and I was like, you know what, actually, you can see my quit, I actually need to downgrade, that's why I'm doing this, but I was like, actually, yeah, might as well. I just realised, though, I've made a big mistake, because my USB flash drive is partitioned in a way where the Mac can't read it, because of the older firmware. Yeah, that's gonna be a bit of an issue. But anyway, see you guys later. Bye.